How to stop auto payment on Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll simply show you the ways on how you can stop auto payment on your Netflix account. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and then open your browser, and you have to simply go to netflix.com from your browser, not from the app but from the browser. I will show you two ways on how you can hopefully turn off auto payment on Netflix. Now, you have to understand that there isn't an official way or the definitive button to turn off auto payment, but there are two ways to work it around. And after you log into Netflix, on the very top left, simply tap on this three horizontal lines icon which you see. Once you tap on the three horizontal lines from the browser, you'll be able to see this option which is account at the very top. So go ahead and then simply tap on the account option. As you tap on the account option, you'll be able to see all of these options. Now the very first way to change your payment method is to simply change your billing day. So let's say that you get charged on the 26th of August. In my case, as you can see, I get charged on 26th of each month. What you can do is you can simply suspend or postpone your billing day to, let's say, 27th or the last day of the month in order to go ahead and then confirm, and then this way you'll at least delay 2 to 3 days on when you want to stop your automatic payment. The next way is to simply cancel your membership. Now what this does is that when you tap on cancel membership, your subscription is going to remain till the end of this month, but it will not continue in the next month, which means that it is not going to charge you from starting from next month onwards until and unless you do not want to renew your membership again. So you have added a payment method, and all you have to do is simply cancel your streaming plan. That way Netflix is not going to charge or deduct the balance from your account. Don't worry, your account history and all are still going to remain there for at least 10 months. So after that, you can go ahead and simply relog into your account and then begin your membership once you're ready with it. But as I said earlier, there isn't a definitive way to actually turn off auto payment or a definitive option. Netflix will not ask you. It will keep on deducting the balance from your credit or debit card or from the payment method which you have added until and unless you do have the membership active. Hopefully this answered your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.